What's the meaning of afield? Afield. 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 The word afield has several meanings, but they are all related to the idea of something being away or distant from a particular place. It can refer to going on a journey or expedition away from home, or being beyond what is generally considered normal or expected. Afield can also be used to describe physical distance, such as being far away from something, or figurative distance, such as being outside the realm of someone's knowledge or experience. In summary, afield means something that is removed or distant in some way.